Good morning. Today we are going to learn about receipts and payments account. The final accounts of not-for-profit organization includes receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. First one, receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash and bank transactions of not-for-profit organizations. It is prepared at the end of an accounting year. It is a real account in nature. Children, we know that there are three types of accounts. What are the three types of accounts? Real, nominal, and personal accounts. Receipts and payments account is real account in nature as it deals with cash and bank transactions. The receipts and payments accounts begins with the opening balances of cash and bank and ends with the closing balances of cash and bank. All cash receipts are recorded on the debit side of receipts and payments account and all cash payments are recorded on the credit side of this account. All cash receipts and cash payments, whether of capital or revenue nature, will be recorded in the receipts and payments account. Children, all receipts and payments, irrespective of the period for which the amount is received or paid, are recorded in this account. It means that they may relate to the current year or the previous years or the subsequent years. Children, note the point. Non-cash items such as depreciation, outstanding expenses and accrued income are not shown in receipts and payments account. Okay children, can you say some features of receipts and payments account? Okay, first point. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash and bank transactions of not-for-profit organization. Next, it is prepared at the end of an accounting year. Next point, it is a real account in nature. Next, it begins with the opening balances of cash and bank and ends with the closing balances of cash and bank. Next, all cash receipts are recorded on the debit side. All cash payments are recorded on the credit side of this account. Next, all receipts and payments, whether of a capital or of a revenue nature, are recorded. Next, only actual receipts and payments are included, ignoring accrued incomes and outstanding expenses. Next, all receipts and payments, whether relating to the previous, current or subsequent year, will be included. Next, this account does not show the result, that is profit or loss of the business organization. It shows cash in hand and cash at bank unless there is a bank overdraft. Children, the balancing figure of this account shows cash in hand and cash at bank unless there is a bank overdraft. Okay children. Next, treatment of special items. There are certain items which are peculiar to non-trading concerns and therefore require special treatment in their final accounts. Children, for preparing the final accounts of not-for-profit organization, we must have clear idea about revenue and capital transactions. What is revenue transactions? Revenue items are of a recurring nature and it incurs in the normal course of business. Revenue transactions are intended to benefit the current period. Then capital transactions. Capital transactions are non-recurring in nature. and the benefit of such a transaction is expected to occur for a long period. Okay children, let me explain the items peculiar to not-for-profit organization. First point, subscription. What is subscription? Subscription means the amount of money paid by the members of non-trading organization on periodic basis for keeping their membership with the organization. Children, not-for-profit organization usually collects subscriptions periodically from their members. This may be collected monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly. In addition, some special subscriptions may be collected. For example, subscriptions for sports and games, that means for tennis or billiards, etc., are collected from the concerned members playing tennis or billiards as the case may be. All these subscriptions, that means periodic subscriptions and the special subscriptions, are revenue receipts. Okay children, what is? All subscriptions, that means periodic subscriptions and special subscriptions, are revenue receipts. Okay, next one, interest on investment. For investment made, the organization may receive interest. It is a revenue receipts. It is recurring in nature, so it is a revenue receipt. Next one, sale of old sports materials. The sale proceeds of all sports materials like balls, bats, etc. are revenue receipts. Then sale of old newspapers. The sale proceeds of old newspapers are also treated as revenue receipts. Next, life membership fee. Amount received towards life membership fee from members is a capital receipt as it is non-recurring in nature. Next, legacy. Legacy is a sum of money given by will. A gift made to a not-for-profit organization by a will is called a legacy. It is a capital receipt. Next, admission fee or entrance fee. These are fees collected on the admission of members. It is a fee collected from every member only once at the time of his admission into the organization. It may be treated as a revenue receipt as it is a recurring income from new members admitted every year and may be used to meet the expenses at the time of admission. Children, it may also be treated as a capital receipt. In examination, unless specified, you are justified in adopting either of these methods, adding a note of explanation in support of the method adopted. Okay children, next, grants from government and other organizations. Not-for-profit organizations may receive different forms of grant from government and other organizations. Grants received towards construction of buildings, acquisition of assets, etc. are treated as capital receipts as they are non-recurring in nature. Grants received towards maintenance of assets, payment of salaries, etc. are treated as revenue receipts as they are recurring in nature. Next, donations. These are the amounts received by not-for-profit organization as a gift. It may be general donation or specific donation. General donation, donation received for general purpose. Specific donation, donation received for special purpose. What is general donation? If the donation is received without any specific condition, then it is a general donation. It is a revenue receipt. Then specific donation. If the donation is received with a specific condition for a particular purpose like donations for sports fund, prize fund, etc., it is known as specific donation. It is a capital receipt. Next, honorarium. What is honorarium? A payment given for professional services for which fees are not legally required. It is the remuneration paid to a person who is not a regular employee of the organization. It is a revenue expenditure. For example, when a guest makes a speech at a conference, he might receive an honorarium to cover his travel expenses. Okay, children, what is honorarium? Honorarium is the remuneration paid to a person who is not a regular employee of the organization. Okay, it is a revenue expenditure. Next, purchase of sports materials. Sports materials such as balls, bats, nets, etc. are consumable items. Amount of consumed sports materials are taken as revenue expenditure and value of unconsumed sports materials are shown as asset in the balance sheet. Children, closing stock of sports materials should be shown in the asset side of balance sheet. Okay, what is closing stock of sports material will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Okay, next, purchase of sports equipment. Purchase of sports equipment is a capital expenditure. Okay, it will be shown on the balance sheet. Example, purchases of table tennis table, billiards table, etc. Next, purchase of books for library. Books purchased for library is a capital expenditure. Okay, children, the summary of revenue receipts, capital receipts, revenue or capital receipts, then capital expenditure and revenue expenditure are given here. Children, note the point. In this unit, entrance fee or admission fees, donations, special fees and grants from government and other organizations have been treated as revenue receipts, even though these may also be treated as capital receipts. Okay, children. Thank you.